No, sir. It is here. That 8 to 10 hours you have to be little cautious in handling the patient. That is the main issue.
Yeah.
On an average, after how many days
And you have
test
not
result
faced
come?
such problem actually.
On
Maybe
an
some
average,
other.
after how many days test result come?
Same day.
Same day.
Same day.
Same day.
It takes 10 hours.
It takes minimum 6 to 8 hours.
8 hours, within 8 hours.
Within 8 hours,
We are extra careful about this type of patients. There we try to give them earlier.
Yes, yes.
Immediately
We
extract
are
the
looking
nucleic
for
acid.
early reports if such patient
Yeah,
comes
yeah,
and all.
yeah.
So they are trying to give it early.
But negative reports you can give in 6 hours. For the positives, we need to give another
we
4
try
hours.
to keep a bit away from all of this.
So whenever any positive cases come, whoever coming in contact with them, we quarantine them. Whatever this sample. Yes.
So say something about the visit from Tripura visit. We have media.
Actually, we are central team.
Yeah.
We have come here. How the containment measures are being taken by government of Tripura. Till now, yesterday actually we reached at 10:30 p.m. Now today we are visiting. We have discussed with additional chief secretary. We have discussed with principal, AGMC, superintendent. We have visited different places. Till now, the actions taken by Tripura government is satisfactory.
Sir, you people also visit Dalai district where
Yes, we have
lots of
visited.
lots of
Yesterday we have visited. We are planning to go tomorrow.
any findings from Dalai district.
Till now it is satisfactory.
Okay.
That we can tell now, but tomorrow if necessary we will tell.